By correlating power measurements with UART output logs, this method enables you to directly pinpoint unwanted current peaks and elevated energy consumption. For this you need an Otii Arc or an Otii Ace and Otii Software. I am using Otii Ace as both power source and measurement unit for the device under the test. Connect ground from your device under the test to the Ace's DG&D in the expansion port. Connect UARTX from your device under the test to the RX on the Ace in the expansion port. Let's go to the Otii app. After adding and setting your device, go to Channels to choose what kind of measurement you want to record. For example, main current and main power. Go to UART and set the correct baud rate for your device. Enable then the UART log. The main current, main power, and UART logs are presented on the right side after each other. Let me hide the main power and focus on the main current for the analysis. Start the recording. You will be seeing the noise recorded. Power your device under the test by turning the supply on. The UART printouts are shown in real time in the window under the graphs. They are in sync with current recordings. You can choose to show time and/or wall time, or no time. Mark an area in the current graph and all the UART messages that occurred in this time frame are marked in the UART log. You can also do the opposite and mark one or several messages in the UART log. If you select one message, 1 millisecond will be highlighted on the graph. At the same time, the current graph for that time frame is marked. It is possible to do multi-selection of messages with Shift plus arrow up or down. You can copy the UART printouts. The UART printouts can be copied by selecting one or multiple messages and using the right-click and selecting Copy Log. If you have several recordings, the UART printouts will be shown for the one recording that you have highlighted. That goes even if you have hidden that recording. Remember to disable the UART messages in your firmware when your device is ready for production to avoid wasting unnecessary energy.